Okay, good morning. At this point, we were experiencing load shedding during the maths lesson. So examples for exercise 1.14 was done with the class already. But for the purpose of the series of videos, I will do it in front. I'll do it without learners in the background. Okay. So this is the example 9 and 10 on page 19. Okay. Example 9 and 10 on page 19. This deals with exercise, or the examples for exercise 1.14 on the next page. Okay. So the question says factorize. You've got p squared minus 4r squared plus p minus 2r. So what we notice here is that, again, there's 4 terms, so it's some type of factorization by grouping. So I look at those 2 terms here. Okay. And as you can see, we can apply the difference of 2 squares. Okay. So let's go. That will be the square root of p squared is p, the square root of 4r squared is 2r. So it's going to be p plus 2r, p minus 2r plus p minus 2r. Okay. If I put a bracket around those last 2 terms, I don't change the value of anything. At this point, as you can see, we have p minus 2r as a common factor in the 2 terms. So we're going to take out p minus 2r as the common factor. If I take this out, I'm left with p plus 2r. If I take the bracket out there, whenever we take out the whole bracket as a common factor, we're left with 1. Okay. So let's look at the 10th example on this page. So let's name this number 10. We got 25a squared minus 16 plus 5a plus minus 4. 5a minus 4 and a minus 2. So in these 2 terms here, as you can see, again the difference of 2 squares can apply. Okay? So we're going to apply the difference of 2 squares here. Square root of 25a squared is 5a. 1 plus 1 minus the square root of 16 is going to give you 4. Plus 5a minus 4 into a minus 2. So between the 2 terms, what is common? We know that 5a minus 4 is a common factor in those 2 terms. So again, to factorize, we must take out 5a minus 4 as a common factor. Take it out, I'm left with 5a plus 4 and plus a minus 2. So as you can see in the second bracket, we have a common, we have like terms. So 5a plus a is going to give you 6a, and 4 minus 2 is going to give you positive 2. But if you look at the second term here, you'll also note that we have a common factor of 6a plus 2. Common factor of 6a plus 2. A common factor in that second bracket, 6a plus 2, which is 2. But take out 2 as a common factor, we left with 5a minus 4 and 3a plus 1. Okay. We won't write the 2 in between here. Okay, because if we got x to y, we don't write it like that, we write 2xy, we write the coefficient in front. Okay. So likewise here, having it in front is another like way of writing that expression. Okay. With that, you should be able to do exercise 1.14. And exercise 1.14 is on page 20. Okay. The full lesson to this can be found in the description box.